typst is a new markup-based typesetting system that is designed to be as powerful as LaTeX while being much easier to learn and use. typst has built-in markup for the most common formatting tasks, flexible functions for everything else, a tightly integrated scripting system, math typesetting, bibliography management, and more. Fast compile times thanks to incremental compilation, friendly error messages in case something goes wrong. This repository contains the typst compiler and its CLI, which is everything you need to compile typest documents locally. For the best writing experience, consider signing up to our collaborative online editor for free. It is currently in public beta. Example, a gentle introduction to typest is available in our documentation. However, if you want to see the power of typest encapsulated in one image, here it is. Let's dissect what's going on. We use set rules to configure element properties like the size of pages or the numbering of headings. By setting the page height to auto, it scales to fit the content. Set rules accommodate the most common configurations. If you need full control, you can also use show rules to completely redefine the appearance of an element. We insert a heading with the equals heading syntax. 1 equals sign creates a top-level heading, 2 create a subheading, and so on. typest has more lightweight markup like this. See the syntax reference for a full list. Mathematical equations are enclosed in $signs. By adding extra spaces around the contents of an equation, we can put it into a separate block. Multi-letter identifiers are interpreted as typest definitions and functions unless put into quotes. We don't need backslashes for things like floor and squirt. And phi.alt applies the alt modifier to the phi to select a particular symbol variant. Now we get to some scripting. To input code into a typest document, we can write a hash followed by an expression. We define 2 variables and a recursive function to compute the nth Fibonacci number. Then, we display the results in a center-aligned table. The table function takes its cells row by row. Therefore, we first pass the formulas F1 to F8 and then the computed Fibonacci numbers. We apply the spreading operator to both because they are arrays and we want to pass the array's items as individual arguments. Installation typest CLI is available from different sources. You can get sources and pre-built binaries for the latest release of typest from the releases page. Download the archive for your platform and place it in a directory that is in your path. To stay up to date with future releases, you can simply run typest update. You can install typest through different package managers. Note that the versions in the package managers might lag behind the latest release. Linux, view typest on Repology. Mac OS, brew install typest. Windows, wingit install typed.typst. If you have a Rust toolchain installed, you can install the latest released typest version with cargo install at /typest-li, a development version with cargo install github.com/typest-types-types-lock-typest-cli. Nix users can use the typest package with Nix if Nix with typest built and run a development version with Nix run github typest/typest-version. Docker users can run a pre-built image with docker run-ighcr.io/typest-latest. Usage. Once you have installed typest, you can use it like this. Creates file.pdf in working directory. typest compile file.type creates PDF file at the desired path. typest compile path to source.type path to output.pdf. You can also watch source files and automatically recompile on changes. This is faster than compiling from scratch each time because typest has incremental compilation. Watches source files and recompiles on changes. typest watch file type. typest further allows you to add custom font paths for your project and list all of the fonts it discovered. Adds additional directories T,